Right. So the paper number 1. We are discussing the part 1 now, right? And last week we did the part 1 up to 8 question, right? Now we are going to proceed the rest, right? Right. So the 9th question, right? 9th one. So you have to read it first. If the buying price of a good is 900 rupees, okay? Buying price is 900. In order to get a profit of 5%, right? Profit 5%, right? 5%. Calculate the mark price. Calculate the mark price. That means you have to find the selling price. Selling price of that item, right? Profit is 5%. And that person has bought the particular item by giving 900 rupees. There are a few ways to calculate. Right? 3 methods actually. I have done all 3 methods to you guys, right? In the percentage list, right? Okay. So the buy price 900, profit 5%. You have to find the mark price, right? Or the selling price. We can say selling price. Both of them are correct, right? Selling price or mark price. All right. So method 1, I am going to do this question by using the all methods. Method 1. First of all, you are going to find the profit. How you are going to find the profit? Buying price, right? Multiply into profit percentage. Buying price is 900 rupees. Multiply by profit percentage. 5% profit you are going to keep. Right? So the 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 9 times 5. You are going to keep 45 rupees with you. So how to calculate the mark price? Right? Mark price, buying price plus profit. That is how we are going to mark the mark price or selling price. That is how we are going to decide selling price or mark price, whatever. I have given this. Equal mark buying price 900 rupees plus profit 45 rupees. So the 900 plus this 945. Your answer should be this. So that this is the method 1. Correct. If you want to use method 2, you can do it like this. Method 2. Selling price or mark price, whatever the buying price, right? Multiply by 100 plus x, because this is a profit. You are going to take a profit that is plus x. X means 5. X means 5. Can you remember? I hope so. Right? Divide by 100. I think you can remember these things. Right. Equal mark. Buying price 900 rupees. Multiply by 100 plus x means 5. Divide by 100. Right? You can directly find selling price or the mark price by using this method. Okay? Rupees 900. 105 multiply by 105 divide by 100. 0 to 0, 0 to 0. 9 into 105. 9 into 105 means that 945. This is method 2. Correct? Method 3. Now you need to remember අපි මෙහෙම එකක් කළානේ කියලා. You need to remember. And then I record yes. Right. Okay. Method 3. Interesting method. Buying price, profit, right? Selling price or the mark price, whatever. Buying price, we are going to decide it by using the profit percentage that we are going to keep. Profit is 5%, no? That means if you buy a particular item for 100 rupees, you are going to keep 5 rupees for each and every 100 rupees. So you are going to sell it 100 plus 5 because this is the profit. If it is a loss, this is minus 6, this is 100 minus 5. If it is a loss, but this is a profit, so that this is positive and 100 plus 5, 105. Alright? Profit now, you are going to add, loss now, right? You are going to subtract. Profit, if profit, this is positive. If loss, this is negative. Okay? Keep that in your mind. Right. So the actual buying price is 900 rupees, right? Actual buying price is 900. So I will assume my mark price or the selling price is X. What I see. So you have to divide this side and divide this side and equate 100 divided by 900 equal 105 divided by X. Then do the cross multiplication here, right? X into 100 equal 105 into 900 cross multiplication. Then if you want to find the value of X, divide both sides by 100. 0 to 0, sorry, 100 to 100. X equals 0 to 0 to 0 to 0. 945. So selling price or the mark price is 945 rupees. So that this is a single question, right? I have given you a full discussion for that, so that you can remind all the things. Right? I'm going to refill. Right. Then question number 10. Right. Question number 10. What is it? Right. Question number 10. First, let's read mark price of a certain good. Right. That means selling price. Mark price of a certain good is 1,500. Right. Now think of it as a pair of shoes. Now, right, in DSI Bata, right, they will give a discount of 10%, right, for school children. Right. So then what is the selling price after the discount? Right? What is the selling price after the discount? What is it? You have to subtract the discount from the mark price. So you know how to do this. Right? So I will write the mark price. Sorry. Yes. Mark price is 1,500 rupees. Right? And discount percentage is 10%. Right? Discount means if you are having a discount, right? You are going to subtract that discount from your mark price, right? Then you are going to decide your selling price level, right? So the first of all, I am going to find the discount. Huh? How to find the discount? Here you have 1,500 rupees, right? 1,500 rupees. For this 1,500 rupees, that seller is going to give you a 10%, right? 10%, 10 divided by 100 discount. 0 to 0, 0 to 0. That means 150 rupees will be deducted from your original mark price. So then finally you can decide your selling price or the buying price that you are going to buy it, right? Final selling price after giving the discount, right? Previously it was original one is 1,500. When you are going to buy, they will reduce 150 rupees from this, making 150 they will reduce. So get the subtraction, right? 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. Here 1. 1,350 rupees is the final selling price after giving the discount. Huh? Because this, if you are having a discount or a commission, you are going to reduce it from the original price. Right? Right. Keep that in your mind. Right. 11th. The length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. Right? Twice its breadth and 3 cm right and external for it. Right? The length of a rectangle is twice its breadth. Right? Twice its breadth. If the breadth is 3 centimeters, right? If the breadth is 3 centimeters, right? Write an expression for its area. Write an expression for its area, right? So as I told you, the breadth is equal to 3 centimeters, right? Breadth is equal to 3 centimeters, and length, right? Length is equal to twice its breadth, 2 times the breadth, right? 2 times the breadth. So you have to write down the area expression for its area, the rectangle's area, right? Area of the rectangle can be written down as, right, length into breadth, right? Length multiplied by breadth, right? Length into breadth. So here length we have found 2 times breadth, right? That means 2 times 3 centimeters, right? Breadth is 3 centimeters. Length is equal to twice of its breadth, right? 2 times 3 centimeters. So the length 2 times 3 centimeters multiply breadth is 3 centimeters. So finally 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. Centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter. Alright. So that is another. Okay. Then that is the 11th one. 12th one. Right, nice. So I will do it here, 12th one. Huh? Right. Bottomless. Right. You have to apply bottomless. Right. So the 1 upon 5 plus 3 upon 10 close bracket of 1 upon 5, right, equal mark. So there are brackets of, right, and how to simplify. I am going to write bottomless here. Right. B brackets. Do we have brackets? Yes, yes. Right. So we have to simplify our brackets first until we get a single fraction, because there are two fractions to be added. We have to obtain a single fraction until the bracket is gone, or until the bracket is removed. We have to simplify what is inside the brackets. I'm not going to touch off. I'm not going to even think about that. I'm not going to touch. So the here I have 1 upon 5, right? 1 upon 5, 3 upon 10. So here you have 10, here you have 5. If you want to get the same denominators, you are going to multiply this side by 2, right? This denominator by 2, this numerator by 2. 3 upon 10, right? Of 1 upon 5. I am not going to touch this part. Right? 1 times 2, 2. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 3 upon 10. Still I have the bracket. Still I have to add of 1 upon 5. Right? So here now the denominators are equal, 10 and 10. I can add the numerators. 2 plus 3, 6. 6 upon 10. Right? Now I have a single fraction. Right? I am not going to put brackets from here onwards.
Excuse me, sir. 3 plus 2 is 5.
මොකද අට්ටි මීටරෙන් ඉන්නවනේ හොඳයි හරි right 2 plus 3 5 right 2 plus 3 5 right so you guys are good හරි මම recording කරා yes right now the two fractions has been added right now I have obtained a single fraction right now I don't need bracket then whatever bracket don't right now I don't need bracket right so here you have of 1 upon 5 right so then our bracket part is done now we have to simplify of do we have of yes there is of so I am going to simplify that of means you can convert it to multiplication 1 upon 5 right so 5 times 1 5 times 1 right now that is done 1 times 1 1 10 times 1 10 so this should be also right of done no divisions no multiplication no addition subtraction right that is how we are going to apply both step by step right okay so that is 12 13th one what I see right 13th one solve using axioms right 7x minus 2 equals 12 so Buddha how to use the axioms right if you want to remove 2 what you are going to do according to axioms you are going to do the opposite thing of negative 2 opposite thing of negative 2 is positive 2 that means you are going to add 2 to both sides huh? That means minus 2 plus 2 equals 12 plus 2 I am going to add 2 for both sides I mean here negative 2 positive 2 cancel out what is remaining part 7x 7x equals 12 plus 2 14 according to axioms You are going to divide both sides by 7. If you want to find the value of x, 7 times 1, 7 times 1. X equals 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Right? That is how we are going to use axioms. Right? Right. 14th one. 14th one. Right. There is a number pattern. 14th one. First of all, in the following pattern, which was prepared using matchsticks, how many matchsticks needed to prepare the 12th stage? You can't draw up to 12th stage neither. What a 12th stage you can't draw. Still we have one stage, first stage, second stage and third stage. You cannot draw it up to 12th stage. So you need to find the general term. Maybe general term may tackle. So here, according to the pattern, right? Here we have used 3 sticks, right? So I will take this is the first stage, this is the second stage, right? So this is the pattern of the second stage. Third stage, this is the pattern of the third stage, right? How many sticks have been used in the first stage? 3. How many sticks? 3 plus 2, 5. Here 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Right? In the third stage, we have used 7 sticks. So according to this, right? According to this is a number pattern. So 3, 5, 7, blah blah blah. If you want to obtain the general term, in order to find the 12th term, right? 12th stage, this is the first stage, second stage, third stage. First stage we have used 3 sticks. Second stage we have used 5 sticks. Third stage we have used 7 sticks. They are asking in the 12th stage how many sticks are used. To that you need to find the general term of this. Right? To find the general term, you need to find first the common difference, CD or D. Right? CD or D, whatever. Right? Common difference. So how to find the common difference? Except the first term, you can choose any term. I will choose 5. Then get the subtraction, right, from the previous term. That is 3. Common difference is 2. Common difference is 2. Okay, we have a same answer. Right? Common difference is 2. If the common difference is 2, right? At once you need to remember, I need to remember multiples of 2. Right? I need to remember multiples of 2. Yeah. So I am going to write multiples of 2 now. Here. First multiple is 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 4. Then 2 times 3, 6. Comma, blah, blah, blah. Right? Under this first term, I will write 3 because that is my first stage, 3. Under this second term, I will write 5. Under this third term, I will write 7. So now, Buddha, you need to understand. By using 2, how to obtain 3? Just add 1. Add 1. And add 1. Right? So this is the constant that you are going to add. So now you can find the general term. Right? General term is equal to, right? Or you can refer this general term as Tn. Correct? Or nth term, Tn, general term, whatever it is, that is okay. Correct? Or you can write just Tn now. Doesn't matter. Tn equals this. Right? Multiples of 2. General term of multiples of 2 is 2n plus this positive one. Right? This plus 1. So Buddha, this is the general term. If you want to find the term 12, Right? This is the term 1, term 2, term 3. You need to find term 12. You are going to substitute here n equals 12 because you are going to find 12 stage. Tn equals 2n plus 1. I am going to substitute n equals 12. That means T12 equals 2 times 12 plus 1. 2 times 12, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Right? So answer should be 25. Right? If you are in a very good mode, right? Good practice. If you have a good practice, you can do this within a like 1 minute. Right? 1 minute is enough to do this. Right? You can write very fast, blah blah blah, blah and you can obtain 25. Done. Done. Right. So that is the 14th question. Now let's go for 15th question. Simplify. Nice. Very easy one. But 15th question. So here there are two mixed numbers, 3 and 1 upon 4. Divide. Right? 1 and 1 upon 2. 1 and 1 upon 2. Equal mark. Right? So first of all, before converting this division mark into multiplication mark, I am going to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction, this mixed number into an improper fraction. Right? So denominator is 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 upon 4. Right? Division mark. Denominator is 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3 upon 2. Right? Then, now I can do the conversion. Division mark, convert into multiplication. So that I have to get the reciprocal of the other fraction. Reciprocal is up and down change. Right? Change the up and down. Right? 2 upon 3. Reciprocal. So now can you simplify? Yes. 2 times 1. 2 times 2. 13 times 1. Numerator 30. 2 times 3. New denominator 6. Right. This is again an improper fraction. You can keep your answer as a mixed number. Denominator is 6. How many 6s are there for 30? 2. 6 times 2, 12. How many should be added in order to get 30? 1. 6 times 12. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 30. So this is it. Right? So that is the 15th one. Right. 16th one. I'll do it here. Find the value of 1 upon 5. Right? Uda, you need to write this. 1 upon 5 of 1 kilogram. Right? 1 upon 5 of 1 kilogram. Right? If you want, you can keep it in the decimal numbers as well. But I am going to convert this 1 kilogram into grams because I can simplify it very easy. How many grams are there for 1 kilogram? Tell me.
1000.
1000 grams. Yes. 1 upon 5 of 1 kilogram I am going to convert into 1000 grams. Right? Equal mark. 1 upon 5 of means multiply 1000 grams. Right. Denominator, numerator. You can simplify. 5 times 1, 5 times 200. 1 times 200, 200. 200 grams. So the 1 upon 5 of 1 kilogram is 200 grams. Right? That's it. Right. Let's do 70. Let's do 70. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. There's something like this. Right. But easy. Right. So this is one of the easiest things. Alright. You can do. There are a lot of ways you can do. Right. So first of all, you can find x. Sorry. Or you can find y. Right? How to find y? This is a right angle, so that means 90 degrees. Correct? That means 90 degrees. So this line is a straight line. So you can write y plus 90 equal to 180 degrees. Why is that? Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Right? So you can find y, right? 180 minus 90. Take this 90 this side. Y is equal to 90. Right? And when you consider this y angle and this angle, this whole angle and this y angle, what can you say about those two angles? What can you say? This y angle and this x and 60 angles, x plus 60. What can you say about that? Use your mind.
They are vertically opposite angles.
Super. Excellent. Vertically opposite angles. Right? So you can write vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Right? So you can write x plus 60. You are going to find x name. So already you have found 9 y. Y equals 90. You are going to find x. So I will begin from x. X plus 60. X plus 60 degrees equals y. Y means you know already that is 90. What is the reason for this one? Vertically opposite angles. You have to write that. You need to write vertically opposite angles. Correct? Okay. Two straight lines intersecting each other. Then this angle equal to this angle. Vertically opposite. Right? This angle equal to this angle. Vertically opposite. Correct? Right. Keep that in your mind. Grade 8. Correct? Then x plus 60. Then I am going to substitute x plus 60 equals y is 19. Take this 60 to this side. X equals 90 minus 60. So that x equals 30. You can find the value of x, right, in another method. 90 plus 60 plus x equal to 180. Sum of the angles on a straight line. Sum of the angles on a straight line. Right? 90 plus 60 plus x. So I will write it as 90 plus 60 plus. You are going to find the value of x. So I will write it at the beginning. X plus 90 plus 6. X plus 90 plus 60. Right? Equals to 180. So you will get the same answer. X equals 30 degrees. Right? By using this method as well. Whatever the method you can use, doesn't matter. So that is 70. Right. 80. Find the value of 5 minus 8m when m equals negative half. You have to substitute the things that we did today. Right? Equal mark 5 minus, here you have 8. Instead of m, I am going to substitute negative half inside the brackets. So I can simplify here numerator and the denominator. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. This is what we have done today, right? Sorry, in last week, right? So here you have 5 minus, you cannot decide me. Minus into minus, positive, right? Inside the bracket you have negative sign, negative into negative, positive. 4 into 1, 4, right? So 5 plus 4, the value is 9. So this should be your answer, right? A. That is 18. Right. Then 90. Commission. Commission. When selling a vehicle worth of 3 million rupees with 60,000 as a commission for the broker, calculate the percentage of the commission. Calculate the percentage of the commission. That means commission percentage. How to calculate the commission of the commission percentage? So the 90. So you know the selling price of the vehicle, right? Selling price of the vehicle is 3 million 30 lakhs, right? And the commission is equal to 60,000, right? If the broker is going to sell the particular car to another person, right, for 3 million 30 lakhs, right, the owner of the car will give 60,000 rupees to the broker, right? To the broker, right? So that is the thing you need to understand. Then now they are asking what is the commission percentage if the car owner gives 60,000 rupees to the broker, right? So you can calculate the commission percentage like this. Commission percentage equals, so we are calculating commission percentage. What should come to the numerator of this fraction? Commission percentage. Commission. We need to put commission here. We are going to compare this commission with which value? With which value? The selling price. Commission divided by selling price multiplied by, we are finding percentage. We need to multiply this fraction by 100%. 100%. So today, this is the way you are going to derive the formula. What මතක නැති වුණොත් exam එකේදී They are asking commission percentage. I can't remember the formula. Right, okay, let's do this. Commission percentage. There should be a fraction and I need to multiply it by 100% to get the percentage as well. What is the percentage that I need to calculate? Commission. Commission. If I need to calculate the commission, the numerator of the fraction part should be commission. Commission, right? Then what is the thing in the denominator that I am going to compare with? Commission I need to compare with selling price. Selling price. Commission divided by selling price multiply by 100%. Why? Because I need to obtain the percentage. 100%. That is the way you are going to think. Right? Right. So the equal mark, you know the commission 60,000 rupees divided by selling price 30 million rupees 0,000,000. Now multiply 100%. 0 to 0 to 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0, 0 to 0. All things go. Rupees to rupees, 3 times 1, 3 times 2. 2%. Commission percentage is 2%. Understood? Right. Right. 20th question. Correct? 20th question. There is something that you need to understand, right? In the 20th question. Right? Find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B. Right. උදේ මේක බැරි වුණා කියලා අවුලක් නෑ, right? 20th question එක I will do it in the coming weeks. Right? This lesson is yet to come. මේ lesson එක තාම එන්න තියෙනවා ඉස්සරහට. Right? So sometimes you already know this one. මේක ඔයාලා දන්නවා. This is a parallel line and this is a parallel line. These two lines are parallel. This angle is 60 degrees. This is 50. They ask me what is the value of this angle and this angle. Right. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is this Z type of angle? If you know, what is this Z type of angle? Do you
Acute angle.
have this?
Acute angle.
No. In between two parallel lines, if you have sometimes many Z type of angle, we are calling a special name for that.
Angles.
Anuvi?
Z angles. Z angle.
Z angle, and we are calling it that alternate angle. Sorry, alternate angle. Z type of angles, we are calling that alternate angles, right? So you can find it right here. If this angle is x, right? When you have found something like this Z type of angle in between two parallel lines, you can say directly, if this angle is x, this angle definitely should be x, right? If this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees. By using the same method, I can say the value of B. Can anyone tell me the value of B by using this method? By using this method, can you tell me the value of B? Can you find it? 60. Yes.
60.
Yes, Pudeme. Here. May Z type. May. Like that. two parallel lines, right? And there is a transversal. This middle straight line is called the transversal, right? And this angle is 60. Then we can say this B is 60 definitely, right? B is equal to 60. The reason is alternate angles. පුතේ මේක බැලුනට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මම කිව්වා මුලින්ම, right? Alternate angle. Right? B is equal to 60, right? Okay. Then, right? Likewise, you can tell me the answer for this one. If I tell this angle is, let's say, C. If this angle is C, what is the magnitude of C? When I make C. Yes.
50.
It is 50. C is equal to 50. Now, can you find the value of A? Right? Now, can you find the value of A? C equals 50. Same reason. Alternate angles. Now, can you find the value of A? The value of A. B is 60. C is 50. What is the value of A? Or tell me how to find. Okay, better. Okay, better.
Interior angles of
Interior angles of angle.
Interior angles of sine. Right? So, I can write A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. That means, right, interior angles of a triangle, right, of a triangle, interior angles of a triangle, right? So I have to find A. I know the value of B. B is equal to 60. I know the value of C. It is equal to 50. And it is equal to 180. So 60 plus 50, 110 is equal to 180. So how to find the value of A? Take this 110 to your right hand side. Right? So then subtract. A is equal to 180 minus 110. So value of A is 70 degrees. Right? So this is how we are going to find. There are 845, right? Right. Okay. Right. So part 1 is over. Right. In the paper number 1, part 1 is over. Right. Okay. So for today, I am going to wind up the session from here. Right. I hope you can understand these things. If you have any doubt, you can ask from me before leaving. Right. Okay. Let's meet in next week. Until then, stay safe. Goodbye. Right. Today, if you have any questions, you can ask from me and clear it out. Huh?
Bye, sir.